Problem number 7. Prove that 34C5 plus sigma r equals to 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4 equals to 39 C5. Okay. See the LHS part. 34 C5 plus sigma r equals to 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4. Sigma is nothing but addition. Sigma is nothing but addition. Okay. We know the formula. What is the formula? We know the formula is there. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. Okay. 34 C5 plus sigma r equals to 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4. Here 0 is called lower limit, 4 is called upper limit. So sigma, first keep r equals to 0, 38 minus 0 C4, 38 minus 1 C4, 38 minus 2 C4, 38 minus 3 C4 plus 38 minus 4 C4. Okay, from right last to first. So for our convenience only, 38 minus 4, first r equals to 4, C4 plus 38 minus 3, C4 plus sigma is nothing but addition. 38 minus 2, C3 plus 38 minus 1, C4 plus 38 minus 0, C4. Okay, next step. So 34 C5 plus 38 minus 4, 34 C4, 38 minus 3, 35 C4, 38 minus 2, 36 C4, 37 C4, 38 C4. Okay. Now see carefully. NCR. See, this is NCR. NC 5 minus 1, 4. NCR plus NCR minus 1. What is the formula? NCR plus NCR minus 1. N plus 1 CR. So 34 plus 1 C R value 5. R value 5. Remaining steps as this, terms as this. So 36 C4, 37 C4, 38 C4. 34 plus 1 is 35 C5. Okay, plus 35 C4 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Now observe these two terms. NCR, NC 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. NCR minus 1. So again, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. So this is 35 plus 1 CR. 35 plus 1 CR. CR value 5. So next, plus 36 C4, 37 C4, 38 C4. Next, 35 plus 1 is 36. 35 plus 1 is 36. 36 C5 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Next, observe these two terms. So NCR plus NCR minus 1. Same N plus 1 CR. So that equals to 36 plus 1 C R value 5 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. See, 36 plus 1 is 37 C5 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4. Keep brackets from these two terms. Again, NCR minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So N plus 1 CR. So 37 plus 1 CR. R is 5 plus 38 C4. Next, 37 plus 1 is 38. 37 plus 1 is 38. 38 C5, 38 C5 plus 38 C4. That equals to NCR minus 1. So N plus 1 C R is 5. So 38 plus 1 is 39 C5, which equals to RHS.